Hello designers and creatives, and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man and this is Create Visuals in Pixel on YouTube. On today's video we are going to be learning how to create another vector using PixelLab, and this is Okash Logo. I recently saw this app logo on my phone, so I decided to create it on PixelLab. We are going to use it for today's video tutorial. This is the 19th video we are creating on this PixelLab Logo Design Series on this YouTube channel. Okay, if this is the first time you are viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video and let others learn from our content too. Thank you, and let's get started. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to go and make sure I remove the one I already vectorized. Okay, I'm going to delete it from my screen. So now I'm going to have a clear workspace. I told us all the time that anytime you want to vectorize a logo, you have to go and from here import your sketch, right? Okay, and you're going to import your sketch here. So this is my sketch. I already have it, so I'm not going to import it again into my screen. So here I have my sketch, and then the next step you need to take after you import your sketch into your PixelLab, I always say this all the time because I want it to stick, because this is the key on how to make a better logo design on PixelLab. So the next step is to make sure you select your grid lines, okay, your grid tools. So at the top here you select it, then after you've done that, you can go and tap on this icon and then bring out these tools. Here you are going to start adding your grid lines horizontally and vertically. The key point when you keep in mind when you are trying to bring out your grid lines or grid points or place them where they're supposed to be is that at each and every point where your BEIZER point are supposed to be, are expected to be, okay, you are going to make sure you create a crossing point there. Okay, and this is how you are going to be able to use that grid lines or your grids to create a point using your vector and get a perfect vector. So you just follow me up and see how I was able to use this grid line to create my vectors with this logo. So the first thing I need to do here now, after working on my grids, is I'm going to go and uncheck this and then check my magnet. Then after I've done that, I'm going to go to my shape tools, okay, and then I'm going to tap on my BEIZER and then turn my transformation and close my loop. And we have been doing this all the time. Then reduce my stroke to around 2. You can reduce to 1 if you can see it well. So I think I'm old, so I'm going to just from here start my vectorization. So just follow me and see how I was able to achieve that. Thank you. So when you are done with this, you can just go and reduce the stroke, okay, and go to color. This is the brand color of the app, okay. So I'm going to just go here and then I'm going to show you the color code in case you want to make use of it. So this is the color code. Just type this code on PixelLab and you are going to get this color palette that I use, okay. And then here I have this. So after this, I'm going to check okay and then go here and lock my vector. So I'm going to pick my BEIZER again and then do the same thing I did before, and then I'm going to start vectorizing again. So after we have done these two vectors, so the last one we need to vectorize here, we are going to use shape tool instead of using our BEIZER to get, because it's a circle and we want to get a perfect circle, right? So I'm going to draw this and put it here, and then so I'm going to reduce my opacity for this, and then I can choose a color that will make it more visible so that I will see what I'm working on. So here I have this color. I'm going to start expanding it. Okay, after I've done this, I'm going to pick my grid lines again, and then I'm going to draw it and place it at the center here, and then I'm going to uncheck it and check my magnet. Here I'm going to get the center aligned. Okay, and I'm going to as well make a copy of it. Okay, and I can change the color to something else different. Okay, I can just position it to the center here where I have this center circle within that vector. Okay, I'm going to place it here, and then with this I can choose an practically opposite color of that black, which is white. So here I have this, and then I'm going to increase the opacity of this and go here. I'm going to group the two of them together as one object, and then when I have this, I can go to my erase color and then select my erase color. If that white color is not picked or selected automatically, so you can just tap on this this place where they write number 1, and then you can just turn black or turn white, and then select the color that you want to erase automatically, and then here we got this. So this is how we achieve this. I can just drag this and place it behind this object, and then we have this one here. So I think then there is another last thing we need to do here. I can go back again and then just change the color to the brand color, which is green, and then I'm going to go reduce the opacity. Okay, and then I can go and then go to my mask. Okay, tap on your mask to mask this vector they have created. I'm going to check it on and then check it out or check it in. Okay, and here I'm going to start dragging my points to these places. Okay, just watch and see how I was able to mask this part out now. So this is it. And there is another thing I want to show us here. In anytime you are trying to create a BEIZER or create a mask an object out or in, okay, always remember that anytime you are dragging your BEIZER points here, just make sure that this arc, okay, at this point always hit this point. This arc from this point always hit this point. Just see how I do it, because this is one of the mistakes that many people are making. So I'm going to drag this point to make sure that it hit these points and it got it magneted at this point. So this is the easier way to make sure that you get a perfect straight vector. Okay, and then I'm going to select this and then drag this one to this point. Okay, and then I'm going to drag for this point, I'm going to drag it until it got magnetized with the other one, and then here I'm going to do the same with this. So here I have a perfect vector and a straight line vector here with this BEIZER. So here I'm going to just take this one out here. So here I'm going to just check OK, and then we have what we have as our vector here. So this is how we achieve this logo design using PixelLab. I think it's very easy. If you ask me, it's very easy. So unlike what we have always been doing in this particular series, okay, I think this particular tutorial is one of the easiest ones. So you can go try this out and see what you're going to achieve at the end of the day. So thank you guys for watching, and then see you on my next video. My name is Son of Man, and this is Crazy Videos and Pixel on YouTube. If our video has been a helpful one, please drop on the comment box. Let us know how our video has helped you on your logo design journey as a designer. And then don't forget to suggest our content, suggest our videos to other designers, grow up and get mastery on this logo design series. Thank you, and then see you on my next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.